Hey guys, I want to show you how to install an electrical outlet. First you're going to have your black wire, which is your hot, your white wire, your neutral, and you'll either have a green or a copper wire as your ground. You're going to want to curl the ground like so, and then take about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch off of your neutral and hot wire and curl them as well. And you're going to have your outlet. You got your green, which is your ground screw. You'll have your silver screws, which are your neutrals. Put both of those on. Make sure they're tight. Then you put your hot or black screw wire on your dark copper gold screws. Make sure they're tight. Push the wires all the way in the box. Make sure the ground wire isn't touching the screws. Make sure that it's tight, that it's not moving around. That's how to install an outlet. Thanks for watching.